How to create AliExpress affiliate link. So just search on your Google search bar for AliExpress. And then right here we have the first, search result, and we have the affiliate program. You can open that in a new tab. Now right here, what you want to do, guys, is just come here and click on sign in or register. I'm just going to go and click on sign in, and you can also sign in using your Google account. So come here, click on Google, or you can use your email. But I'm going to just go ahead and click on Google, and then we'll have to authorize our Google account. So I'm going to choose this Google account right here. Okay, I've chosen this one. Now being redirected to thirdparty.aliexpress.com. So just wait for a few seconds. Now we are in the registration portal. So this is where we create our AliExpress affiliate account, right? This is my username. I have to enter my basic information, like the payee name or contact email. We have to verify this email. Just enter your phone number, right? You have to provide a social media account for you to get verified, right? Preferably something like WeChat, Line, WhatsApp, Facebook. Enter something in and enter your social media ID. You actually stand a better chance when you have a social media following, and you can decide whether or not you want to subscribe to the newsletter. It's not really necessary, but make sure this is checked, okay? There are terms and conditions, and then you just go ahead and press on next. Really that easy and simple, and then you can go ahead and generate your affiliate link once they approve you as an affiliate.